Welcome to our ultimate burger making tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through creating a juicy and delicious homemade burger from scratch. Imagine a perfectly crafted burger, bursting with flavor, ready to tantalize your taste buds. In this video, we'll cover everything from gathering fresh ingredients, crafting the perfect patty, cooking it to perfection, and assembling your masterpiece. With easy-to-follow steps, you'll learn how to transform simple ingredients into a mouth-watering delight. So get ready to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Let's dive in and start this delicious journey together. Let's start by gathering all our ingredients for the patty and the burger. For the patty, you'll need 300 grams of ground beef or chicken, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can also add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and some breadcrumbs or cornstarch to help bind the patty. Now for the burger itself, prepare 2 burger buns, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, fresh lettuce leaves, sliced tomatoes, and onions. Don't forget your favorite condiments like mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. With everything ready at hand, the cooking process will be much smoother. This preparation step is crucial for achieving the juicy and delicious homemade burger we're aiming for. Once everything is set, we'll move on to crafting the perfect patty, ensuring it's packed with flavor and texture. Get ready to dive into the next step of our burger making journey. Now, let's dive into crafting the perfect patty, the heart of our juicy homemade burger. Start by mixing all the patty ingredients in a large bowl: 300 grams of ground meat, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. For added flavor, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce is optional. To keep the patties firm, add a tablespoon of breadcrumbs or corn flour. With clean hands, shape the mixture into thick circles about 1.5 centimeters each. This ensures they cook evenly and maintain their juicy texture. Once shaped, it's time for a crucial step: chilling. Place the patties in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. Chilling helps them hold their shape and enhances the flavor profile. While the patties chill, prepare your cooking station, setting up your grill or pan for the next exciting step. This pause not only elevates the patty's texture but builds anticipation for the cooking to come. In our next segment, we'll transform these chilled patties into a sizzling masterpiece. Stay tuned as we cook to perfection. Now, let's dive into the heart of our burger-making adventure. It's time to cook the patties to perfection. Whether you're using a grill or a pan, preheat it with a touch of oil. Place your chilled patties on the hot surface, letting them sizzle with promise. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, ensuring a juicy interior and a perfectly browned exterior. As the aroma fills the air, you'll know you're on the right track. Once you've flipped the patties, it's time for a cheesy upgrade. Lay a slice of cheddar cheese on each patty while they're still hot. Watch as it melts slowly, enveloping the meat with a creamy embrace. These cooking techniques are crucial in achieving that perfect texture and flavor we all crave in a homemade burger. Remember, patience is key. Let the heat work its magic, and you'll soon have patties that are juicy, flavorful, and ready to star in your ultimate burger creation. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Start by slicing your burger buns in half and spreading a thin layer of butter on each side. Place them on a hot pan for a minute or two until they're golden and crispy. This step ensures your buns are warm and ready to hold all the juicy flavors of your burger. Next, grab your perfectly cooked patty with melted cheese. Place it gently on the bottom half of the bun. Now, layer on some crisp lettuce and fresh tomato slices. Add rings of onion for a bit of crunch and sweetness. Finish with a dollop of mayonnaise, a squirt of mustard, and your choice of chili or tomato sauce. Finally, crown your creation with the top half of the bun, pressing it gently to hold everything in place. And there you have it, the perfect assembly of a homemade burger that's ready to be enjoyed. As you savor each bite, remember the simplicity and joy of creating something delicious from scratch. In our next segment, we'll present this masterpiece and dive into the first taste. Stay tuned for the grand finale. Your juicy homemade burger is ready to be savored. Take a moment to admire the final presentation, a masterpiece of your own creation. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the taste test. Sink your teeth into the tender patty, layered with fresh toppings, all nestled between perfectly toasted buns. Pair it with crispy fries and a refreshing soda and let the flavors dance on your palate. Remember, this isn't just a meal, it's an accomplishment. You've mastered the art of burger making right at home. So gather your friends or family, share the joy of homemade cooking, and relish every bite of your delicious creation. Whether it's a casual lunch or a weekend treat, this burger is sure to impress and satisfy. We hope you've enjoyed this journey from kitchen to table and that you'll continue to explore new culinary adventures. Happy cooking and bon appetit!